Hey everybody, I wanted to spend a little bit of time doing another sample problem for net ionic equations, just so we can be clear. So this is we're going to go to a single replacement reaction, and we'll figure out what the heck is going on. Okay, so here it is. Solid magnesium. So if I'm going to write the molecular equation, okay, that's magnesium, and that's with an S, plus copper 2 chloride, so that's CuCl2, and it says a solution of, we're used to seeing aqueous, but a solution of copper 2 chloride also indicates that it's aqueous. Okay, and it's a single replacement reaction, so that means that the metal replaces this metal. Okay, and then so it becomes magnesium, and remember magnesium is 2 plus, chlorine is 1 minus, so we need one of each. Or sorry, 2 chlorides and 1 magnesium, then that's plus copper. Now, remember all chlorides are soluble except for silver, lead, and mercury. So this is aqueous, and this is copper. Well, copper is definitely not soluble, or else piping in buildings would be, at least old piping, would be a mess. So, so copper is a solid. Okay, so now it says a total ionic equation. Okay, so I'm going to do this in red. So this is a TIE, and so this is going to be Mg solid. That doesn't change from here to here. It's not an ion. We don't have to split it apart. We don't make it an ion because this is a solid. Okay? Just because it's not aqueous doesn't mean it doesn't go through a reaction. Okay? So now this is aqueous, so we split this up. So it's going to be Cu, and it's copper 2 aqueous, plus Cl minus aqueous, reacts to form. Now this is aqueous, so this is going to be Mg2 plus aqueous. Eventually my aqueuses are going to look like that. Plus Cl minus aqueous plus Cu solid. Okay, so now what changes? Well, look, magnesium here and magnesium here. If you don't know your chemistry, it may appear that they're not changing because it's magnesium, magnesium, blah, 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 that's all that keeps the same. But they are changing because this is magnesium solid with no charge. This is magnesium ion with a 2 plus charge, and it's aqueous. Okay, so these two things are changing. And now that same description is true for copper. The only spectator ion we have is chloride. So now we get Mg solid plus Cu2 plus aqueous. See, there's one of my aqueuses going bad. Okay, reacts to form Mg2 plus aqueous plus Cu solid. Okay, and so that is the excuse me. So that is a single replacement reaction. Okay, and I probably should not put this at the end of the video, but I still, well, one of the things that I try to do is I try to keep kind of the arrows at least lined up a little bit, so that way we can, so we know kind of where the reactants and products are. Okay, and so it's just a good habit to kind of get into. Okay, so anyways, that's the single replacement reaction example. So have a great day.